Look at this box. Kurt, you know how to make a girl feel special. Look at this box. This box makes me feel like, I don't know, like I hit the lottery. I don't know. The size of it is crazy. Okay. I felt like last week I was like rambling a lot. So I want to be mindful of y'all's time. Get into this unboxing, okay? I know this is ghetto. I'm in here using a kitchen knife, but it is what it is. Okay. Ooh-wee. Look at this gift box it came in. Look at this box. Hold on. Let me go ahead and remove this. Y'all, wait a minute. I'm all over the place. Look at this. Beautiful box. Come on, Kurt. Okay. Kurt Geiger, Denim, Kensington, XXL. Wow. Beautiful box. Now this box, I did pay an extra $10 for it. I don't know why I needed this gift box, but I needed it. That's neither here nor there. But I love the box. I love the color. And here's the thing. Here is the thing. I didn't know anything about Kurt Geiger, okay? Y'all gotta put me on. Knew nothing about him. All right? Okay, I think I got it upside down, child. All right, so it says Kurt Geiger on the box. Like I said, this box is an extra $10, but it's well worth it because you can store your bag in here. All right. Ooh, fancy. I feel like I'm on that, what is it, QVC? The commercial, the channel, when they do the girl be. Anyway. Oh, ooh, okay. And it is XXL. That's what it looks like. It's giving big, and we love that around here. Got some paper in here. I don't know what this is. Oh, okay. So I am going to go ahead and I'm going to open this bag up. Right. Let's put this here. Last time I took all the plastic and stuff on it on camera, and I was definitely rambling when I was doing it. And it took me forever to do it too. Okay, because y'all were here with me last week. So we're gonna move a little faster this week. Why didn't anybody tell me about this bag? Why? Wow, this is the first time I'm seeing it in person. Oh my goodness. I'm impressed. Ladies, gentlemen, come on. Y'all have to put me on, okay? Y'all have to put me on to these bags, honey. Please, come on. Don't start acting up, scissors. Oh, my. This is beautiful. Look at this. This is the denim, okay? It has, and I'm going to get a close-up on it, a bald eagle in brass. The handles are brass. It's like it's a chain. Wow. It's the details for me, okay? That's what makes a bag, to me, is the details. It looks like they spent some time making this bag, okay? Now, this bag is priced at $2.95. The box is $10. Okay, I don't want to rip this. Wow. Let me go on ahead and open this up. Yes. Okay. This bag, too, is stuffed to the gods. All right, we're just going to take the stuffing out. Oh, and, okay, they came through with the duster, the little dust bag. Inspired by our city, we believe in self-expression. authenticity and distinctive design for the individual who wants to channel their true self. Come on, Kurt. Oh, what? Design is what we do. Kindness is what we are. I'm beside myself. Look at this. Look at this. Okay? It's not even the bag. Okay? I love that. I did see on the Kurt Geiger website that he has some sort of charity of some sort. I have to look into it further, but I think that's beautiful. I'm easily impressed, but you know, I'm not even gonna sit here and lie to you. Now, I'm gonna tell you this. I hate the way this is wrapped. Oh my God. You know, I'm rushing because my last video, I felt like it took me forever to get all the plastic and stuff off of it. And I don't want to edit those parts out. I just don't. Okay, if we're doing an unboxing, we're doing an unboxing. We're here together. Now, let me see here. Jesus. Right? Ooh, look at these straps. Look at these straps. Yes. And you hear it? It's heavy, okay? Y'all, have y'all heard the Sabrina Carpenter song, Espresso? It's like playing in my head. If you haven't heard it, don't listen to it. Don't listen to it. It has crack in it. It definitely has crack in it. You don't listen to it, okay? That's all you're gonna think about. It like consumes my thoughts. All right, now I'm veering off. I'm rambling. Look at this bag, guys. Brass bald eagle. It has these crystals here embedded. Okay. Wow. 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 And it's big. For the girls who like a big bag, who have a lot of things to put in the bag, even if you don't have a lot of things to put in the bag, if you just want the space, the option, this is it, okay? It says the Kensington inside. On the back, it says Kurt Geiger, so we don't get it twisted. Let's see the bottom of the bag. So it has like some type of thing, you know, to keep the shape. And this is a double XL, okay? There are 2 compartments inside of the bag. Just as I did before, I'm gonna give you guys an up close. There is a magnetic, I don't know, is this magnetic? Okay, there is a magnetic closure here. There are 2 of them, buttons, all right? There are 2 different compartments in here, okay, for us who like to organize ourselves. When we get in here, we're not digging all over the place looking for stuff, okay? There's also a let me see, is there a zipper? Okay, so there's no zipper closure in here. There is just a slip pocket, but no zipper. What is this? Okay, and like I said, it says the Kensington inside, and then it has the Inspired by Our City, the same thing that's on the dust bag, the duster, okay? Absolutely gorgeous. Let me show you guys an up close. Okay, guys, so as promised, this is an up close of this bag. You guys can see there's a lot of detail that went into this bag. I originally was going to get the black XXL Kensington bag, but my husband said, Tasia, step outside the box. Do something different. If you're gonna pay $300 for a purse, get something with some detail, okay? With some personality. So that's what we did. We went and got the jean bag, all right? This is the inside of the bag. Even the detail inside the bag, like I'm really digging this bag, okay? But I am gonna have to go back and get the black one because that's just me. I gotta be me, right? So here you are. Here's the inside. Here's the second compartment. This is the slip pocket. You see here. This is the, it just says the same thing that it says on the dust bag, on the duster, the Kensington. All right. We just love this. The back of the bag. Look at her. What do the kids say? Kurt, you did your big one. Okay. because this bag is beautiful. It is beautiful. This is absolutely a statement piece. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Round of applause for the bag, please. Look at that. Okay. Okay, y'all. So I came out here so that you guys can get a better view of the bag and how it actually looks on my body. I am a plus size girl, so I like an oversized bag. I just feel like it fits my frame a lot better. What I love most about this bag is that it's very versatile. You can wear it two ways. You can wear it as a drop shoulder bag, okay, which is probably how I'm going to wear it. Very neutral, very cute, all right? Or you guys can wear it as a crossbody. Let's see what that's given, all right? Okay, crossbody. All right, how do we like this? To see all the detail. Again, my opinion, I'm probably going to wear it as a drop shoulder bag because I just prefer it that way for this bag, because I love a crossbody. But for this bag, I think wearing it like this on the shoulder complements the bag and my frame a lot better. Let me know what you guys think. Again, I am new to the Kurt Geiger world. If you guys have a Kurt Geiger bag, a Kensington, whatever kind of bag you guys have by Kurt Geiger, please let me know what kind of bag you have in the comments. Let me know how that bag is holding up, how it has held up over time, okay? Let a girl know. Put me on. Don't keep me in the dark. Guys, I did it again. I started the video and started rambling and failed to introduce myself. Again, my name is Tasia Nicole. If you were with me last week, or if you have already subscribed to my channel, I want to thank you for staying on this journey with me. If you are new here, please consider commenting, and subscribing to my channel so that you guys can stay on with me. I appreciate you guys. I'm appreciating the love that I'm getting here on YouTube. I appreciate all the comments you guys left on my last video. So I'm holding y'all accountable because we're friends now. So like I said, y'all got to let me know. Y'all got to put me on to the bags, especially the affordable bags, okay? Again, Tasia Nicole, thank you guys for watching. And please like this video, comment below. Let me know what you guys think and subscribe to my channel, okay? So that you guys do not miss the vibes.